Well, we are here to sweeten up your Friday the 13th. Don't worry, all you superstitious folks out there. No need to worry.
Yeah, that's right. Nothing gets rid of bad luck like a donut cake.
Yes.
And that's what we got here for you this morning.
Actually, it's true.
It is?
Yes, it's true.
It's an old wives' tale.
Yeah, so donuts are, yes, from back in the 1900s.
Yeah, exactly.
Back when I was a kid. So anything that's round usually is symbolic of life. So I have friends that on New Year's Eve and what's today? Oh, the 13th, and all the unlucky days, which I don't consider that unlucky, but they just eat donuts. They get donuts from everywhere because their luck, and like I said, it's the symbol.
It's the
symbol of life.
That's only unlucky if you're trying to lose weight.
Oh, sorry. That's all right.
See, it's Friday the 13th. I'm stepping all over Gail. Exactly. Okay, so this is very simple. 350 degrees. Now, you don't need a donut pan.
Okay.
If you do have a donut pan that has like the little separate donuts, this recipe will work for that too, because a lot of people do have
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Oh yeah, there's donut pan.
Okay.
Come on. All right, so you just need a round 9-inch pan.
Yeah.
Then you make the
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, foil. So
Little
I just took
DIY
foil.
hole.
Yeah. Just take the foil.
Meredith Sinsula will be very proud.
Yes.
Yeah, she's crafty, right?
She's so crafty.
So you take the foil, you know, kind of just make it into a nice little strip, and then you turn it into a circle.
Nice.
And you stick that right in there, and then make sure that you spray it with cooking spray.
Okay.
And make sure you get the foil too. Yep. So you're just going to spray that, and that's it. And that makes a nice donut.
Perfect.
All right, so what goes into it?
So this is, I mean, it is a literal cake, I know, but this will be more like a cake donut. You know, there's glaze or long johns. This is like more the flavor of a cake donut. So we're doing a cup of flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and then I put in just a little bit of nutmeg, because you know the cake donuts and sometimes glazed donuts, they have that little bit of something you're not sure what it is. And like
maybe
you
that's
said,
what
and you said, is there licorice in this? And no, it's probably just nutmeg.
Okay.
So that's that. So this is the base part. So it's very simple. It's just going to be sugar. We're going to do a 1/4 cup milk. There's a little.
It's brown sugar. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. A little bit of milk. Well, you know, I had to get it out of there.
Yeah.
I had to get it out of there. Yeah. It's Friday the 13th.
Exactly.
All right. So a little bit of sugar, a little bit of milk. Stir that up. We're going to do 1 egg. Are you guys donut fans, or are they something that, like...
No, I like a good donut.
I like a good donut. I don't like it. I'm not really like it in the morning. I like it in the afternoon.
I was back at home in Asheville a couple weekends ago. I had like they have a homemade donut shop there.
Oh, yeah?
One of the best things I've ever
good.
eaten.
Well, this is homemade.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is home. I mean, you know, there's a lot of donut shops that make good donuts, but you can make it simple. You can make your own little cake. All right, so then a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and we're doing this because that's going to help make it moist.
Okay.
And sour cream is in a lot of different types of donuts, but it just keeps it moist.
Danette, we got a minute left
okay.
as you're mixing in these
2
ingredients.
teaspoons vanilla.
Vanilla, right?
Yes.
I saw a guy on some cooking show recently making a cake with mayonnaise in it.
Oh yeah,
to
chocolate
keep
cakes.
it moist. Do you do that? Is that
Yeah,
like a thing?
I've used that for when I make. There's a dark chocolate cake I make that I use mayonnaise in, and actually adds a really nice flavor too.
It does?
Because you have it's moist. Because a lot of times in these cakes you use sour cream, you use yogurt.
Yeah.
But the mayonnaise really keeps it. The mayonnaise
totally
and
blew
not
my
too
mind. I
sweet.
didn't know
Like,
that was a
this
thing.
is not
Right.
too sweet because you're putting the glaze on top, so you don't need it too sweet. All right, so
Got
then you're
about
just going
30
to add
left.
you're just going to add the flour. And then you're going to stir that up, and then you're going to pour it, like I said, around the pan. Keep that in the middle, smooth it, and bake it. And then the glaze is very simple. I've got a little bit of butter, a little bit of powdered sugar. Glaze is so simple.
Yeah.
You could just do anything, but I like to add a little butter to mine, and I like to add a little bit of almond extract.
Oh,
nice.
So almond extract, a little, like 2 tablespoons milk.
Okay.
I warm it because I think when you warm it, you don't need to, but if you warm it and then you pour it on the cold donut, it kind of crackles like the real frosting you see on a
Ooh, I
donut
like
if
it.
you're making an old-fashioned type donut. So do it that way, but you don't have to. And then that's it. You just let it
looks
melt.
great,
And
tastes great.
You're healthy now. You're lucky for
Now, there you have it.
Friday
You know
the
what,
13th. That's
Danette,
it.
we need to fatten up Ian Oliver with some of
we
these
do.
donuts.
Well, let's just
Ian, I'll
look
bring
at
you
the whole
some, buddy.
donut.
Gail, I found myself in the wrong studio this morning. I'm in the wrong spot, but hopefully it's a short walk over there. We'll grab a little bit of that.